Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create Salesforce developer account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating a Salesforce developer account is easy and allows you to access Salesforce powerful development tools and APIs for free. So to do it, first what you need to do is head over and open up a browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in Salesforce developer sign up. Then once you are there, what you need to do is tap on the first link that is shown to you. Now once you're inside the Salesforce developer sign up page, what you need to do is fill in your information like first name, last name, email address, username, country, company, job title, and phone number. Then once you have entered the details, read and agree the Salesforce terms and conditions, and then after filling out the form, click on sign up button. Then Salesforce will send you a confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your email address. Then after verifying your email, log into the new Salesforce Developer Edition account using the username and password you created during sign up. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.